Imagine a world where every minute of your day is utilized to its fullest potential, where deadlines are met effortlessly and productivity soars to new heights. Welcome back to Mind Building. I am Michelle Campbell, and here we uncover how our thoughts and habits create the lives we have. And even better, how we can use our thoughts and habits to create the life we desire. Today's episode is about time transcendence, a productivity revolution for a victorious 2024. In this fast-paced era, time is our most precious resource. Yet, many of us struggle to manage it effectively. Whether it's juggling multiple responsibilities or falling victim to procrastination, time slips through your fingers, leaving you feeling overwhelmed and unproductive. But fear not. With the power of time management, you can regain control of your day and unlock your true potential. It all starts with understanding your priorities and setting clear, achievable goals. Break down your task into smaller, manageable pieces and tackle them one at a time. By adopting efficient planning techniques like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking, you can optimize your workflow and eliminate distractions. Additionally, embracing technology can be a game changer. Utilize productivity apps and tools that streamline your tasks, automate routine processes, and provide valuable insights. Harnessing the power of technology will give you the edge you need to excel in 2024 and beyond. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: procrastination. We've all been there, but it's time to overcome this productivity killer. By breaking tasks into smaller bite-sized chunks and rewarding yourself along the way, you'll build momentum and totally crush procrastination. Remember, time management is not just about work. It's about finding balance in all areas of your life. Prioritize self-care, exercise, and spend quality time with loved ones. By replenishing your energy and focusing on your well-being, you'll be better equipped to focus on your goals, to conquer your goals. So what's stopping you? Join us on this journey of time transcendence, where mastering time management is the key to boosting productivity and achieving success in the year 2024. Together, we will redefine what it means to make every second count. How do you lose track of time? What are some of the things that you find yourself doing when you just suddenly look up and you see that the day has ended, the day is gone, and you've not done that thing that you were supposed to do? Leave a comment below. Let me know what it is. What is that thing? Also, if you found this video useful, if you found any value in this video, please check out this next video right here and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I really, really appreciate your time. Until next time, take care.